yes, we're here at Lowe's. Okay, Mom. Oh, I see you over there. We're here. We're at Lowe's.
See what kind of lawnmower.
Oh, dang it! We got killer at Lowe's. Dang it. I'm done. I had enough for one day. Oh, man. Let's go. Okay, Mom, I see you. Hey, Red. Hey, Mom. All right, let's go see what lawnmowers they got here. I'm sure I see one of these things here last time. I'll remove it. Let's go inside. Okay. Okay, which mower we're buying? Which one are you buying? Aha, here it is. Craftsman. This one right here. Okay, let's get it. Wait, we can't get this one. Why? It's on display. We have to get one in the box? Yes.
We got this one left.
Oh, okay, let's get it. Okay. All right, this is the price number. Oh, that's perfect. Anyway, what's these? Cool. Hey, they shouldn't turn on because they don't have their, like, batteries in it. Okay. Kind of cool. What's back here? I've never seen this thing back here. Whatever. Let's go. Okay. Now what? Gotta go find a shopping cart for the box. Okay. Let's go. Well, at least we can find a little blue shopping cart to put our box on. Yep, that's right. Let's go. Okay. Oh, come on. Well, Red. Well, at least we got a lawnmower. No, it's not yours. It's mine. Ow! Gosh, it's mine. Actually, we own this thing. Let's go into my house. Bought this for Angry Red so he could be mowing the lawn. His old one broke. Ugh! I can't even stand on my foot. Ugh. It's a Honda engine. Right here. Whoa! Oh, shoot. Oh boy. Yeah. Are you okay, Red? Yes, I'm fine. I got scared by the dog. Oh shoot, that was a horn dog, wasn't it? Yes. Well, I'm staying on this box now. Okay. See you guys in whatever part we're doing. Bye.